Hello students, in this video we will be knowing about the poem Goodbye Party for Miss Pushpa T.S. which was written by Nissim Ezekiel. He is one of the India's foremost Indo-Anglian poets and is widely considered as the father of Indian English poetry. His parents were teachers. His father taught botany at the Wilson College and his mother the principal of the school that she herself had set up. He was born on 16th December in 1924 and was educated in Mumbai and London. He produced several volumes of verse and plays and was an art critic. He consistently reiterated the Indianness of his identity and grappled with how history and present interact. He had a particular liking for the poetry of T.S. Eliot and Ezra Pound. He did not care much for verse in his own language, and as he grew up, his writing attracted controversy. He attended Wilson College and in 1947 he gained a first-class honors degree in literature and immediately started teaching English literature. He was awarded a Sahitya Academy Award in 1983 and a Padma Shri 5 years later for his contributions to Indian English writing. His most famous works include Latter Day Psalm, The Discovery of India, The Third, The Unfinished Man, The Exact Name, and Hymns in Darkness. His poetry dealt with themes of language and its powers and limitations, the craft of writing, religious skepticism, memory, and overwhelmingly what it means to be Indian. Towards the end of his life, the poet suffered from Alzheimer's. He eventually passed away in 2004 in Mumbai at the age of 79. Most of Ezekiel's poetry is for adults, as it is serious and quite difficult to understand. In this poem, however, Ezekiel uses simple Indian English. Here, he is making gentle fun of the people who cannot speak English properly by including in the poem common mistakes made by speakers whose mother tongue is not English. There are grammatical mistakes, strange arrangements of words and phrases, and idioms which are direct translations of expressions in Indian languages. They all sound very odd in English. The poem is in the form of a speech made by one of Miss Pushpa's friends. It should be taken in the spirit in which it was written. This is a humorous poem which contains 42 lines. It describes certain qualities of the poet's sister, Miss Pushpa T.S., who is departing for foreign in 2-3 days for improving her prospect. Now the summary of the poem. Addressing to his friends, the poet says that their dear sister is departing for foreign in 2-3 days. They are arranging a party for her happy journey. Miss Pushpa is a sweet lady with all smiling, not only externally but also internally. She smiles and smiles even if there is no reason for it. She smiles only because she feels she should smile. She belongs to a very high family. Her father was a renowned advocate in Bulsar or Surat. The poet doesn't remember exactly. Maybe Surat, for the poet has another memory about that place when once he had stayed with his uncle's old friend whose wife cooked nicely. Pushpa is a popular among people. Whenever the poet asked her anything, she readily answered, "Just now only I will do it." It shows her spirit. The poet always appreciates her good spirit. Pushpa never says no to anything. As she is leaving now for improving her prospect, the poet wishes all his best for her happy journey. Then the poet invites the other speakers to sum up the farewell party.